Today, you guys, we're going to show you how to make easy pulled chicken in the Instant Pot. Let's jump into it. Welcome back to Snow Dogs Cooking, where if I can cook it, you can too. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on all notifications so you'll be notified whenever we randomly upload new videos. So, there's still a lot of craziness going on in the world, and I've been trying to think of some meals that were easy and cheap for people to make. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot pulled barbecued chicken, which you could also turn into buffalo chicken if you really want to. The nice thing about this is you can make a lot of it, take the recipe I'm giving you, you can double it or triple it, and you can freeze it. It actually freezes really well. So if you get chicken at a discount and you have a whole bunch you want to use, throw it all in there and then portion it out, freeze it, and you'll have meals for the next couple of weeks if you want to. So anyway, let's get in to making some food. And as always, we have our two beautiful helpers here in the kitchen with us to make sure that we don't do anything wrong and to make sure to clean up anything that we drop on the floor. So as I said, this is a super easy, simple recipe. I'm going to show you exactly how I've always made it. So basically, you're going to need about 2 pounds of chicken. I choose to use boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can use whatever type of chicken you want, as long as it ends up being about 2 pounds. You're going to need some Italian dressing. Yes, this is not something everybody uses for their pulled barbecue chicken, but over the years I have found that it is the best way to do this. And then your barbecue sauce of choice. Mine is Open Pit Original. I don't know if everybody can get this stuff, but this is my favorite barbecue sauce. So this is what we will be using as our barbecue sauce. Again, use your barbecue sauce of choice. And of course, you will need an Instant Pot. If you do not have an Instant Pot, what are you doing with your life? I'm going to be able to make this so fast, it's going to blow your mind. Of course, there's also a little camera magic in there. Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot and you do have a slow cooker, you can always put your chicken in the slow cooker for about 6 hours on low, using the same directions that I'm going to be giving you. First things first, take your chicken and place it in your Instant Pot. Look how easy that was. Just put it right in there. Next, can I do this one-handed? Let's find out. We are going to use 1 full cup of Italian dressing for our 2 pounds of chicken. And again, as I said, if you double this and you do 4 pounds of chicken, use 2 cups of Italian dressing. So 1 full cup. Don't spill it. Oh, we did it. Pour that right in there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Now I know I said you only needed the chicken and the Italian dressing, but you can always add a little bit of black pepper as well on top of the chicken. Just a little bit. Give it a little bit of extra flavor. And as always, place your lid on your Instant Pot. Put it on manual for about 10 minutes and just let it go. These girls are like, we're already sleeping. Mom, that was way too easy. You will get a bite of chicken after it's all done. What do you think of that? Just gonna nap in the kitchen? Yeah, just napping. You're the best little helpers ever. You keep my feet warm, clean up all my messes. Yeah, best little helpers ever. So the 10 minutes is up. Now we are going to let this thing naturally vent for 5 minutes, which means just let it sit here until your thing says 5 minutes on it, and then we will vent it. All right, I let mine go a little bit longer. Turn it. Oh, look, it's all vented. Let's open it up. Remember, open the lid away from you so the steam doesn't go into your face. Oh, man. Look at that. Now, I'm actually going to pull the chicken out of here and dump the juice out and then put the chicken back in and take a fork and shred it into pieces. Also, for those of you that want to make sure, you can always use a digital thermometer and make sure your chicken is to at least 165 degrees so that it's fully cooked. I had a couple of breasts that were a little bit thicker, so I just wanted to make sure. Woo, look at that steam. So like I said, I took the chicken out, I drained the Instant Pot. I didn't clean the bottom of it, I just drained it. Now I'm putting the chicken back in and I'm going to take 2 forks and I'm going to pull the chicken. I don't know if I can hold the camera and show you that at the same time, but I can try. Ooh, I can kind of do it. So basically we're just going to take some forks. I had to put it in this bowl so I could show you guys. And we're going to start to pull this apart. It should pull apart. It's nice and juicy, that's for sure. It should pull apart fairly easily. So just start doing that with all of the chicken. So this is about what you want it to look like when it's all pulled apart. You want it to be nice little shreds of chicken. What? Little shreds of chicken. All right, one small bite for you. And one small bite for you. That's all you get. Has a little bit of seasoning on it, so you can't have a whole bunch of it, but you got some chickens. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rest of these apart. All right, we got the chicken all pulled. Now, I've put it back in the Instant Pot, as you can tell. We're gonna coat it in some barbecue sauce. How much? A cup, 2 cups. Remember, you can always add more to your sandwich. So we're gonna add that in there and stir it around. Once everything is all nice and coated, we're gonna put the lid back on. This time, we're gonna hit slow cook, which is on here, right here. Slow cook, not 4 hours. Let me get the timer on this. About 30 minutes on low. That's just gonna bring everything back up to temperature and cook that barbecue sauce into it a little bit. What, are you smelling all that goodness? You guys had some chicken. You had some, I saw it. So in about 30 minutes, that'll be nice and warm again. So after about 30 minutes, woo! It's gonna lose focus because it's steaming. There we go. It's all done. Let's make a sandwich. And there you have it. I lightly toasted the bun, piled it right on there. Now, if you're looking for a good southern style pulled barbecue chicken, you'd want to add some pickles to this and possibly some coleslaw. And I swear, don't knock it until you try it. I do like having mine with pickles on it. Right now, I just have a pickle on the side, though. But that is what it is going to look like all finished. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing, and I cannot wait to eat this. Ooh. So we're having pulled barbecue chicken sandwiches.
It smells delicious.
Some, I don't know what that is, butter sauce corn. I don't know, it's one of them frozen things. And tater tots. Jamie's building his plate, and he's going to give us our taste test.
It smells really good.
I know you like pulled barbecue chicken, so.
You made a mess out of this.
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
It's hot. Jamie's having his without pickles on it. I mean, you could put pickles on it still.
No, I need pickles.
I know. Is it good? Is that a win?
Was it easy to make?
Yeah. It only took me, what, an hour? Not even?
Yeah, that's a win.
That's a win.
That was really good.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and eat mine. All right, you guys, so there you have it. Let us know down in the comments below what you would like to see us make next. And as always, if you end up making this, post some pictures, tag us on our Instagram. We would love to see what yours turned out like. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye, guys.